This is my new mid-century modern listing. 1784 Twin Pines Drive is the coolest house you've been looking for. It is solid as a rock, well built. This house isn't going anywhere. And the owners have totally redone it. It is renovated so fabulously. Look at this counter. Look at the sink. Look at this Sub-Zero. All right? And then come here. Check this out. Look at this, Chris. This little secret closet right here. Check out this brand new wash machine and dryer. These sellers have done an unbelievable job remodeling, renovating this house, but they've left the retro vintage charm. That's what I like. The bathrooms are cool, the windows are cool, and this is what you want. You've been looking for it. And when I say solid, this house is great. 4 bedrooms, close to downtown. The perfect house, 1 level. Give me a call. Private backwoods. Ooh, it's wonderful. 478-731-1302. Listed with Sheridan Solomon. We are thrilled about this mid-century modern.